Hello, in this video we'll be looking at some past questions in WASSCE and JAM to prepare you better for your exams, as the past questions in suspect account that we have treated before. Question 1. The principal use of control accounts is to A. Localize errors within the ledgers, B. Prevent fraud, C. Increase sales, D. Record assets and liabilities. The correct answer is option A, which is localizing errors within the ledgers. Question 2. The balance on a purchase ledger control account represents the A. Present amount that a business owes its suppliers at date, B. Total credit available to the business at the end of the year to be realized in figures, C. Total credit the business enjoyed for the particular year for the suppliers, and D. Total credit owned by the business by its suppliers. The correct answer is option A, which is present amount that a business owes its suppliers at date. Question 3. A powerful instrument of control over both the sales ledger and the clerk, whose duty is to post the ledger, is the A. Total debtors account, B. Purchases day book, C. Sales day book, and D. Cash book. The correct answer is option C, which is sales day book. Question 4. When the factory cost of production has been ascertained, manufactured goods are transferred to trading accounts by A. Debiting manufacturing accounts and crediting trading accounts, B. Crediting sales accounts and debiting trading accounts, C. Debiting sales accounts and crediting trading accounts, D. Crediting manufacturing accounts and debiting trading accounts. The correct answer is option D, which is crediting manufacturing accounts and debiting trading accounts. That will be all on this session. Please be sure to check the advisory for the key points to prepare you better for your exam. Thank you.